Potatoes, which are found in many parts of the world, can be consumed baked, fried, or mashed. Potatoes are known as the fourth largest food product. There are many health benefits. Due to the nutritional values contained in it, there is no fat and cholesterol in potatoes. The sodium content is low. Potatoes prepared correctly without using oil are both satisfying and healthy. Potatoes are considered a starchy vegetable. Starch, a type of carbohydrate, breaks down glucose, which is used as energy, and spreads it throughout the body. Potatoes contain vitamins, minerals, organic compounds in their content. It is also known as a nutrient and energy store. It contains fiber, potassium, magnesium, zinc and iron from the shell and provides protection of important nutrients. Potatoes with a high carbohydrate content are easy to digest, especially potatoes, which babies and children consume easily, give energy to the body. Low sodium intake may be required in the body. To keep blood pressure in balance, potassium intake is equally important. The magnesium, potassium and calcium contained in the potato content contribute to health by lowering blood pressure. Folate, which plays an important role in DNA repair, prevents the formation of cancer cells. There is also folate in the content of potatoes. At the same time, vitamin C and quercetin found in potatoes act as antioxidants and fight free radicals. Despite the simple protein content of potatoes, the protein it contains is a protein of high biological value, which means that it contains a good proportion of essential amino acids. Compared to other plant proteins, those who suffer from stomach disorders, those who experience problems such as gas and burning in the stomach can consume potatoes to relax the stomach and facilitate digestion. Whether you have diarrhea, upset your stomach or intestines, boiled potatoes run to your rescue. This is why boiled potatoes are often recommended for those with diarrhea. Bon appétit!